What's going on, everybody? Josh here from Shilling IT. Today I wanted to quickly show you how you can disable uBlock origin for certain sites, talk a little bit about why we deploy ad blockers to our partners. If you aren't one of our partners and you are tuning in and you don't have an ad blocker and you do want one, I do recommend utilizing uBlock origin. You can head on over to ublockorigin.com and you'll be able to download this extension to your browser. For our partners tuning in, I'm going to show you how to disable certain sites. I'm going to load up msn.com and I'm going to hit this puzzle piece. You can see there's uBlock origin. I'm going to hit unhide so it shows it in the toolbar. Again, we deploy this to all of our partners, so you should have this automatically in Edge and Chrome. So let's say a site is acting funky and it's not loading, maybe you can't sign in. This could potentially be the cause of the ad blocker. All you need to do is click on the red shield, select the big blue button to disable it. You'll see this refresh icon on the right hand side. You'll click that and it will automatically reload the site with the ad blocker off. As you can see now, there's this big ad here on msn.com now that there's no ad blocker turned on. And to turn it back on, all you need to do is click on the shield, now gray, click on the power icon and hit the refresh button. Now you can see the big ad is now gone. A thing I wanted to talk about is why we deploy ad blockers to our partners and why you should be using an ad blocker. So for my understanding of how the whole ad situation works is the attacker places a bid for the ad, win the ad, they get the placement, and what they're doing with the ad placements are doing some redirect. So when someone clicks on the ad, they have that redirect into their malicious site where they're potentially, causing any malware downloads or phishing attempts and such like that. That is what we're trying to protect against with the redirect. Don't want someone to accidentally click on a malicious ad and then cause havoc for the machine or the network or the company. I'm not going to do a deep dive into this, but Malwarebytes posted a blog last month about a clever malicious ad that they noticed, and this was for the password manager KeyPass. So typically on Google, the first couple things are sponsored ads, and when you hover over these links, they may not necessarily go to where they say they are taking you. As referring back to that workflow, you click that ad, they may be redirecting you to a completely different site than what they actually have on the ad. Malwarebytes broke down the sequence of what is actually happening when you click on the ad. So the first redirect is that you're going to a Google Ads domain, it's redirecting you to a different domain, then another, and then the malicious site. And basically how they did this was did some sort of Unicode character. As you can see underneath this K, it has a little object under it, so it's not a real K. You can see that, if they were to convert this to what I think is pronounced Unicode, you can see that that domain transfers into something completely different. Hopefully that gave you a little bit more insight of why we deploy ad blockers and why you should be using an ad blocker to help protect you against any malicious redirects that you may encounter in any search engine such as Google or Bing. For any of our partners, if you have any issues or any questions about this, definitely reach out to the service desk so we can help you out. For anyone else, if you have any questions or if you have any other helpful tips that you want to share with everybody, definitely leave us a comment down below. That'll wrap up this video, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one.